3 a.m. in the morning. 3:30 to be exact. And I'm on my way dun sa meeting place namin ni Maria. So, we're witnessing my first ever LRT experience. Saan tayo papunta?
We're walking to Intramuros.
We're walking to Intramuros. So, guys, iPad here because I'm low bat. We're here at Sa Manila, India. Send power bank. Hindi naman.
Ayan. Tsaka 9 pa mag-open yan. Kaya mag-picturean na lang sa mismo.
So, nasan tayo din?
Nasa casa namin. Ako ba? May coffee girl pa.
CR ka?
Tara na.
CR tayo. Ano name ng museum na to? Okay, so we're at Casa de Turismo at Intramuros. It's so pretty here, pero bawal to mag-video. Ako lang pwede. Ang lamig. This is free, by the way. We have free access and paid access. It's only 150 pero nag-free lang kami. What do you like it here?
It's cool. And walang tao.
Real.
I'm expecting sa National Museum.
Pwede mo mag-video doon. Ganda din ng lighting, guys. If only you could see.
Renovated lang ano.
Parang modern.
Pero
So,
masyado siyang malaki. Parang kulang yung mga displays.
like,
Or meron pero hindi talaga siya wow. Will you come back here?
here? Probably not. Siguro babalik ako for the paid access.
Not really. Feel ko parehas lang. Not really. I said what I said. Sakit din.
Wala may socket daw. I'm such a sucker for sockets. Oops, bawal pala. Okay, so bye. I'll see you at the next stop.
Which is? Look at their umbrellas. It's so color-coded. At mine. Picture na naman sila. Mukha ba akong pagod? Guys, where are we going? National Museum.
Dilem. So we're here.
What the dog doing?
I don't even know what painting this is. Drawing ni Fernando Amorsolo face. Literally. He has a room only for his sketches. Like around this room. Sa kanya lahat.
What the dog doing?
Pumunta pa ako dito para magpakyo. In-game pa si Liam.
Yung topic.
We're riding an e-bike toward Binondo
For only 20 pesos.
each. We're 5. Galing kaming National Museum guys, of Fine Arts. Okay guys, so we're at Binondo already. And we've got our sugarcane juice. Masarap. Let's try.
Babalik tayo doon.
Guys, I'm gonna try shawarma for the first time. Anyway, this I don't know. This one. It's kind of good. This one is tofu. And I think that one is fish cake. What can you say about it? Hindi ko lang kumakain. What's that?
Rice
Fish
cake.
cake?
Rice cake.
Fish cake?
Rice cake.
Tumutulo sa kamay ko. I'm not impressed. Ay, kaso ba? I don't know. We bought scallion pancake and pina.
Or
Kinda like it better than Shaolong. It's much mura. It costs 20 pesos. Sarap! Bagong retouch guys. Fit check. Wala. I don't want anything. 15,000 steps achieved. Masarap. You fell asleep there. Tangina, kakain na naman. we're gonna eat. It's more fun in Vietnam. Guys, hungry. Thumbnail. May kasama sila. Kapit. So guys, we're riding on a...
What do you call this again? A jeep? No, it's not a jeep. Jeep!
Because it's small. Yes, I don't know if you can see me, pero we're on Pasig River. Oh, gosh, ang pagod ko na dito. Wow, daming tao. Actually, so pretty. Hindi lang masyadong matao.
Kaso haba yung pila.
Photobooth?
Ayun, no, may pila.
We're going home na. See you guys on my next vlog.